for his many years of dedicated, meritorious, and exemplary service to Pakistan and its armed forces. General Raheel Sharif belongs to a family which is second to none when it comes to gallantry and heroism. They have a tradition of serving the nation and laying down their lives in the line of duty. The Shahadat, an award of Nishan-e-Haider to Major Aziz Bhatti Shaheed and Major Shabbir Sharif Shaheed, is itself a unique honor of his family. This sense of duty and unconditional dedication and commitment to our motherland has also been evident in the person and career of General Raheel Sharif ever since he joined the 54th Long Course in Pakistan Military Academy. His journey from a young, devoted and brilliant cadet officer to the Chief of Army Staff is marked by all the hallmarks of professional distinction and excellence. As an adjutant and later commandant of Pakistan Military Academy and GOC of the 11th Infantry Division, General Raheel Sharif stood out in the discharge of his responsibilities. His services as Corps Commander Gujranwala and Inspector General for Training and Evaluation in the Pakistan Army prepared him well for responsibilities as the Chief of Army Staff. 3 years earlier, in this month, General Raheel Sharif was appointed to this position for his outstanding military abilities, his leadership qualities, and his integrity. It is as Chief of Army Staff that General Raheel Sharif made the most difference in the service of our country. He proved beyond a shadow of doubt that he is one of the finest military leaders of this generation. It was under his leadership that Pakistan's armed forces confronted not only external threats, but also the menace of terrorism. We successfully established the writ of the state and reclaimed every inch of territory under our sovereign control. Pakistan's armed forces can surely take pride in the flawless execution of the Operation Zarb-e-Azb, which is recognized as the most comprehensive, robust, and successful anti-terrorism operation anywhere in the world. It has made the entire world aware of our unflinching resolve and commitment to root out terrorism as we accomplished what countries with far more resources have not been able to. I must acknowledge with great appreciation that General Raheel Sharif always led from the front. We found him on the front lines of our defense forces repeatedly, boosting the morale of our Jawans and young officers. General Raheel's tenure as Army Chief has also been marked by his commitment, care and love for fellow officers, soldiers and their families. He has ensured that the families of our brave martyrs are well looked after as a token of our respect for their ultimate sacrifice. General Raheel, during the past 3 years, I have relied on your strategic advice. We worked together in addressing a number of security challenges, and I'm glad to say that Pakistan today is much safer and stronger than 2013. I take this opportunity to thank you for your untiring efforts and your commitment. I will continue to call upon you for your continued valuable advice. May Allah bless you and your family with lasting happiness and prosperity as we wish you success in all your future endeavors. Pakistan Pindabad.